afternoon, everyone. Here we are, 10 years later. Chef Baker Aaliyah's back at it again. Here she is, folks. There she is. What are we cooking today, Chef Baker? Oh, looks to be some grilled cheese and tomato soup. Fucking A. She should put some salt and some pepper in there. All right. Let's see what we've got. She's already flipped it once, folks. We're on the backside on the home stretch. What do we got? Look at here. Look at here. Zoom in a little, my camera lady. Look at that. Crikey, that's some good looking sandwich. Ooh, doggy. Oh, she's preparing another slice of bread with what we look to appear to be butter. Country crock. Oh boy, does it rock. Look at here. Ooh, doggy. Gonna be good sandwiches. Say something for your adoring fans, Chef Baker Aaliyah.
Go dine in a hole.
Go dine in a hole, she says.
How are you today, Madam? Very well, I thank you. Ding, ding, dong. Ding, ding, dong. Parasat!